God. I've actually done a rollover in this exact spot before. I'll link the video right now, but if you remember, I parked on this side of the divider. But for some reason, I'm feeling super risky. I'm gonna try an incredibly advanced maneuver, and I'm gonna roll it right here where I'm at. Now you gotta imagine when this flips over, those tires are gonna land like 3 feet into my truck. Well, that's what makes this an advanced maneuver. Because as I upright it, I'm gonna extend out and push it away towards me. Dave just backed up on the off ramp, so his is easy. And Jonas is up front from Kustom Tow. I'm gonna do it from where I'm at.
Just have to go straight up.
Yes, sir.
Roll it in the air.
I'll just extend out as it comes over. You know, I've done one with Jonas here before where I actually parked right there on the opposite side. Yeah. Maybe I could get over like another half a foot. Because all my rigging's on this side anyways. So let's start. Hello, Jonas.
Hello.
How was your trip? Bad? ¿Cómo que bad? So you just went there to get sick?
No.
Alright, free spool activated. Again, look how close I am to the center divider right here. I mean the barrier. I got inches to spare. I measured out my outriggers. Dave and I are gonna do what's called a mid-air roll. It's not too uncommon, and I prefer it on this one because of the space. So we're gonna hook up diagonally on the container holes, and it'll be a lot easier to control it, so as it comes over we can push it away from my truck. This should look cool. Now the bottom container holes don't allow you to put the blue container links I use a lot. So I'm probably going to use a container sling in that pocket. First, let's get my boom over. We also have Jonas offset on purpose. Look at that line of action, how it's pulling it towards the right. My right, that is. So as he pulls up, it drags the tractor this way, which gives me even more room. It'll look cool, I promise you. So, got my boom just to get it position. Push it this way first, right? out just a little bit. We'll go to, I don't know, 0.8. All right, Jonas almost has it up front. Are you ready? Yeah. Let me make sure. Here's my blue, here's my white. 1, 2, 3. It's working. You see it moving? Beautiful, man. Check that out. Yeah, this is clutch. Alright, I'll let you catch up just a little bit. Because my tires are off the ground. Okay, hold it there. Hey, locks are great. Everything's good. Continue. Continue. Let down on the white a lot. You know what? I could extend out some more.
You can go down right there. Go from here.
Yeah, you're right. That's good enough. Oh yeah. Rotate so my snatch block clears out. Perfect. Hold on, Jonas is telling me to push it out. Okay. More? That's good, right? I think I'm good. I mean, it was finer, but... Oh, yeah, I see what Dave means. Now I got it super away from the truck. Good job, Hulk. Good job, Jonas. Good job, Dave. Oh, I think you're good now, Dave. See how it looks from this side. What a great job. See, again, for all the haters that say, why do you use 2 rotators on a container? This is why. Not every drop is like that, but you couldn't do this with just a single wrecker. Not with this clearance right here. Beautiful job. Oh no, is it shifted? You think it shifted? Let me stand right here. I got no tension, bro. No, it's good then. We're also on a curb, you know? That's good. All right. Everybody's happy. That's my clearance on that side. And now look at all the room here. If we didn't do it this method, this container would have landed right into my truck. I could have also went to the top holes, but for the method I used, this was preferable, a lot easier. Hulk. Container slings worked amazing, man. Alright, let's check the front. I'm gonna put the camera down just so I can take off my straps. Good job, Jonas. That was fun.
Thank you. The cop said that's one of the fastest he's ever seen in this spot.
Hold on, we don't mess around. Alright, and this is the last of it. Just throw the underlift up. Dave's put away, I'm put away, and Jonas is pretty much done hooking up. Let's turn this off. Good. Put my remote away. I'll fix that right now. Do a quick walk around just to show you guys the finished product. Fun job.
You guys give me a little
I'm outta
help
here.
with the clean.
Okay. Peace out, y'all.